flying. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Right now, it's currently 8 o'clock. So pretty much, I think you guys know where this is going. This is going to be my first ever nighttime POV with my Scirocco. I'm absolutely loving this car at the moment. I mean, let me give you guys a little walk around. I wanted to start this video off before it was dark so that you could obviously see it if you haven't seen the car before or blah, blah, blah. Look at the paint on it. Absolutely sensational. Jeez, honestly, I brush my teeth in this stuff. Look at that. You guys can see how much of a loser I look like. But literally, this is my favourite part about the car. Look. Not even my favourite part. It's just at night when you're driving, you unlock the car. Or you go out for a drive at night, you unlock the car and it looks like this. Both lights. My Corsa did this. But this, just look at this, look at the beams that it gives off there. Just before we get in, I want to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Manscaped. If it wasn't for them, videos like this would not be possible. So much got to pay for the bloody petrol. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't see you there. So I'm just reading the newspaper. I'm joking. You guys know I can't read. I put a lot of effort into making my cars look good. I put in so much effort that I actually forget about my balls. That is why Manscaped actually hooked me up with their all-in-one performance package, which includes everything to make you look like this and feel like this. Included in this pack is actually their new Lawnmower 3.0, which is actually a waterproof trimmer, and it actually comes with skin-safe technology, which basically means for people like me who don't understand that, it is very safe to use on your balls. Look at this, it's even got a torch on. It actually comes with ball deodorant. Ball deodorant. Who would have thought? And ball toner. Let me tell you, when you put this stuff on, you're gonna feel like a goddess. Oh, wow. You know how good they smell right now? Also included is their weed whacker. This is an ear and nose hair trimmer. They also do this luxury nail kit. So inside it comes with literally a nail file, little trimmer, tweezers for my flipping monobrow that keeps coming out. For a limited amount of time, you actually get all of this plus 2 free gifts. You will actually get a free travel bag and some anti-chafing boxers. Look at them. Look at them, got them on. Go to manscaped.com right now today and get 20% off plus free international shipping, boys, by using my discount code OtherStuff, and that's it. Or go to manscaped.com right now. Your balls will thank you. Ding! Back to the video. All right then, guys, so we are back. And now it is night time. So I want to say a huge thank you one last time to Manscaped for sponsoring today's video. But today, we're going to take out the beast. I actually have these lights set to stay on for 10 seconds. So it doesn't use too much battery. But we're going to hop in the car anyway. Voila. And this is going to be the first view you guys have seen at night time. It's like a fighter pilot jet in here. So obviously we got the new paddle shifters. It's gonna be the first time you've seen them. Like, it's more immersive when you're actually driving a car and you can actually listen to this. It's very like engaging when you can hear the clicking, you can feel it, but you guys can't really see it too much. Welcome to Volkswagen. And you got that, the needle swipe. One of the best, not even the best features, just a really cool feature is it's got 2 red lights right here that shine down on the DSG gearbox that like lights it up as red. It's absolutely beautiful. I forgot to mention something that is so pointless about this car, but it's so cool. The lights say hi to you. Watch this, right? So lights are on, needle swipe, and then you got turn the car on. Watch. I don't know if you guys can see. Goes down, and then it comes back up. It says hi to you. Anyway, let's actually whack it in reverse. So you put on brake and then into reverse, and then you've got the reverse camera there that senses your finger when it comes close. Okay, all right then, boys. So we are now on the open road, as you guys can see. Tell me what you guys think about the cockpit in this baby. Like, bruv, it's just a nice place to be. I really like, but I really did not think my next car was going to be this nice. Like, again, like if you compare it to a Corsa, this is absolutely insanely quality. Like, everything about this car is just sick. And don't get me wrong, People think when I slate the Corsas, I'm joking. Corsas are sick fucking cars. They're practical, fuel efficient. I never had a problem with my Corsa, and like my mum's got the Corsa right now, and she has no problems with it at the moment. Except for she needs to top up the washer fluid, but that is the only problem. But bruv, I think Corsa is still sick. But when you step up from Corsa to this type of Volkswagen, bruh. I mean, why do they need red lights on the gearbox? Yeah, I don't. But it's just a cool little feature. Look how sick it is. Right, I want you guys to listen how quiet this car is. I'm even gonna roll down the windows for you lot. Ready? Listen. Did you hear that? I know I'm not putting my foot all the way down, but it's so fucking quiet. I actually can't deal. I cannot wait to get the exhaust on. If anybody is wondering when the exhaust is coming, I'm longing everything out, because I don't want to get a year down the line, or even like 6 months down the line, and have done everything to this car and then want to get rid of it when I don't really want to get rid of this car. I already know I'm going to be sad when I get rid of this car, fam. I have actually got a challenge for you guys. If you want me to get an exhaust on the Scirocco quicker than a month, go follow Cobra Exhaust on Instagram. They're currently on 8,727. If you guys can get them to 9,000 followers or higher, I will literally order it as soon as they hit that number. And everybody's got a comment the other stuff sent me. Anyway, it's up to you. I don't mind waiting. I mean, I do actually, but come on. With the modifications, just bear with me. We're doing it in stages. We need to do the little things. We've got brake caliper paint that has arrived just yesterday. We're going to paint our brake calipers. The colour is a mystery, so I want you guys to leave down below what colour you think I should paint the brake calipers, and then you can see if I've matched your idea. We've got the boot struts on now. They're sick, from Emerald Struts. Come on. We're going to have an air filter from Ram Air. 1000%. They've actually like they've put one aside for me. Right, now we're getting onto the main road. Let's actually just put my foot down, get up to speed a little bit, and I'll show you guys that this car can punch a little bit. Let me show you guys, right, because all the temperature's getting up. Hold on, let me just get up onto straight. We'll whack it in sport mode because it increases the throttle response, I think, so it's quite quick. Ready? Sport 1, ready? Oh my god, bro, that's not even fucking full throttle. Oh, you know what? Bruv, you know what? I ain't used sport for a while. I used sport so much when I first got this car, but holy shit, I've just been using the manual mode, which isn't sport mode, so it doesn't increase the throttle response. That is fucking crazy. I was like, oh, I'm getting used to the power. Bruv, no. It's just because of the throttle response. And of course, I never put my foot fully down, like I always say. Bruv, that was rapid. Downshift, downshift. I'll take this at third or something. Let's go second, actually, because there is a car coming. Boom. Get out of my way, Beetle. Oh, that's Volkswagen. Don't get out of my way. Volkswagen gang. Come on, gang. Let's actually overtake this Beetle, if I can. Hold on. Let's put it in sport mode and let's... Bruv, I'm flying. I'm fucking flying. Bruv, sport mode is no joke. Sport mode is no fucking joke, mate. That's an actual joke. You gotta remember, I come from a Corsa. Holy shit. I'm still starstruck at this. Like, this car's sick, mate. And you know what? I feel like this car looks sick, but I can't wait for it to be modded in the way that I like. Like, for example, all of the little bits I like adding to it. Like, I can't wait to add a spoiler. I can't... Oh, he's just fucking overtaking me. Okay. Okay. In your little 2004 fucking... I don't even know what car that is. Unbranded, bitch. Unbranded. Let's put it in just fully manual mode. and just show you guys like what it's like. It's like, it's what I don't like is there's not a button to switch from sport, comfort, you know what I mean? Like, I'd love that to happen. I know it's like a Scirocco, it's not meant to be a, you know, a Golf R where you can decide if you want that, but it'd be nice to like do that, because having the throttle response in manual mode would be so sick, because manual mode is like when I overtake. I can say though, this car drinks feel like a motherfucker. Like, it drinks like a teenage girl on a night out with sours. I don't care. I don't drink, so I wouldn't know, but literally it drinks petrol. I've filled up 3 times, which might not be a lot to some people, but I filled up the Corsa once a month, even though I drove it every single day, which has cost me 150 quid or something. 150 quid, mate. Right, that's mental. 150 quid fill up 3 times. My Corsa would be like on £100 right now. Oh, Scirocco! I did see that earlier. I've been whipping around here earlier, so I did see it. Bye bye, Mackies. No longer gonna see me. I actually haven't been Mackies in this car, I don't think. Or have I? Nah, I don't think I've been Mackies in this car. Oh my god. I've only been Nando's, mate. This car's transformed me. I'm no longer a Corsa kid. I'm a GBK Nando's kind of dude now. I'm sophisticated. I got fucking sunglasses in the top here. Right, that's mental. This car did have a feature where it coasted. Oh, when you let go of the accelerator, instead of like it just coasted using engine braking to brake, it would actually coast. So it put it in neutral basically and coast down the hill. I didn't like that, so I actually turned it off. There's this little secret menu I might show you guys actually. Let's bang wallop on here. I won't be able to do this when I have the splitter. Cheers, boy. Look at that. Reverse camera. The thing I don't like about autos is like, because obviously it's all like, I don't know what it is, computerized stuff. It doesn't particularly, like with a manual, you could literally just drop the clutch when you want to go, or like raise it really quickly when you want to go. So it's instantaneous. With a auto, it's more like sometimes you'll want to go, but it won't go, and then it suddenly just kicks in. It's like, fucking hell, I've got whiplash now, mate. But yeah, that's something I don't like about autos. Turn right here, and the fog lights actually turn on. I don't know if you guys can see there. The fog lights actually turn on in this car when you're like turning. Wait, you'll see it go off in a sec. Oh, or not? Oh no, it did. It's actually 6. They turn on, they turn off when you turn left and right. It's the most pointless feature ever, but... And I feel 10 times more comfortable driving with this Scirocco now. Come on, I listen to you guys. Brake beforehand, accelerate out of it. You can hear the DSG. Oh! The DSG. When we get the exhaust on, DSG fart. My fucking camera died just as I was literally getting into that road. Oh, listen to that. Bring out the pineapples! Bring out the pineapples! Pitch black out like this. Oh shit, you dickhead. Oh my god. What the fuck? I thought I was about to get killed. Bruv, I had a heart attack. Bruv, literally my heart dropped in my pants. Bruv, that is the scariest shit ever. They were blocking the whole road. Anyway, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy the first ever night POV in the the Scirocco. Luckily, we still have the CORSA, so I'm not too sad about losing it. But yeah, first ever nighttime POV. Of course, we're going to come back with more. We're going to go in different locations. Thank you guys so much for all the support again. Really do appreciate it. Anyway, guys, follow me on Instagram at @the_OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new. There are loads of different mods to come for this car. I'm very excited. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video. What?